Now, 4, shift from applications to conversations, especially, though not only, in the Netherlands. Set a weekly target. Set yourself, for example, to send 10 outreach messages and have 3 conversations every week. Start with your warm contacts, like former colleagues, clients, classmates, or people in your community. And ask for insight, not a job. It could be something like, hey, could I ask you 2 questions about how hiring works in your team right now? This really matters because many roles are filled through internal movements and referrals long before you ever see a public vacancy. Now, 5, make your CV and your LinkedIn profile Dutch market readable. What this means is that you should lead with impact and scope. Numbers help a lot, but clarity matters even more. Now, removing anything that reads as generic, hardworking, team play, dynamic, and tailor your top third or your above the fold section, especially your profile and key skills, to the role family you are now targeting. It's not about your past, it's about what you want next. Why does this matter? It's just that in a tighter market, your first impression has to do a lot more work. Now, 6, prepare for the questions that internationals so often get asked, so you don't get derailed in the moment. Expect the following questions. Do you speak Dutch? And prepare a confident but non-defensive answer. Or do you need visa sponsorship? And then find a way to answer it clearly and as early as possible. Also, they might ask you, hey, why the Netherlands? And so make sure you have an answer that connects to your motivation and the contribution you can bring to that organization. This really matters because if uncertainty is normal, vagueness is really something you want to avoid. And 7, track your job hunt like your project, because it is one.